There is a practice, Huzur, among the Muslims of to do ark to some of their, I don't know what is the English word for that, to disown some of their.
Yes, that's right. Disown.
Yeah.
In the sense to be deprived of one's property and one's inheritance. This is the true meaning of the word ark. So this is normally it is not permitted. That if some child has offended his father in religious matters and rebelled against his piety, then it is possible that such a child should be disavowed of his inheritance.